Do you want to save hours every week? Let's break down how to use triggers in GoHighLevel to automate your workflow. First, let's talk about what triggers do. Triggers are rules that tell GoHighLevel what to do automatically, like sending emails, adding tags, or moving leads in your pipeline. Step 2, let's give a common example. Say a lead fills out your form. Instead of replying manually, a trigger can send a welcome email, notify your team, and even add the lead to a campaign instantly. This means no more repeating the same tasks over and over. You set the rule once, and GoHighLevel does the work for you. And that's how you save time with triggers. If this helped, hit that like and subscribe button for more quick GoHighLevel tips. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.